So I got 3 pieces of this. The other 2 are already open already. This is back. It sounds like my washing machine running in the background, so it's like this. Yeah, 4 pieces. Not bad. So 3 packages of this, so 4, 8, 12 pieces. Hello, welcome back. This is Elle again, and thank you for dropping by at my channel today. For today's episode, I would like to show you what I got at Amazon. These pretty small glasses because I want to keep my spices dry and properly preserved. And so yeah, and I'm working out of my kitchen at the moment to have a little bit of organization. So I think it's a good choice. So yeah, I'm cooking. I love using a lot of spices. These are just some of the new spices that I got. Yeah. Because before I use only this, when I buy spices in small glass, which is around I think 30 grams per glass. And at Go Asia supermarket, I have found like this coriander thing with 100 grams, but then they always in a plastic, not in a glass. So I think this is the best answer for this. And also it's really organized because it comes with shields, stickers. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I have made organizing. Because I love to cook, I need all those spices. And it's pretty, it's organized. Hello, this is Elle again. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm gonna organize my spices. And I want to show you this beautiful small glasses to keep the spices dry and organized and easy to find. Yeah, because I love to cook. This I got from Amazon. I think it's pretty nice. Thank you for watching. LoVe.